Hi, in this video I will show you the easiest cast-off method. First thing that you might want to consider is going up the needle size. Why? If you use the same needle, if you used for your main fabric or for the ribbing, it might cause that the cast-off edge is a bit too tight, and depending where you are casting off your project, if it is for example a neckline or socks, you might want this edge to be nice, loose and stretchy so you can pull through your head or your feet. For that, to solve this, you can go up a needle size. For example, 2 sizes should be more or less enough to make it nice and loose. Next, how you do the cast off. You start with knitting together first 2 stitches on your left hand needle. Pull it. And then now you have 1 stitch on your right hand needle. What you do, you just place it back on your left hand needle. Now you knit 2 stitches together. Nice. You place it stitch back on your left hand needle, and you knit first 2 stitches again. And you continue to the end. Now you have 2 stitches left on your left hand needle. What you do, you just knit them together, and you have 1 stitch left. You make it larger, like a big nice loop. You can either cut the tail now and pull it through the loop, or pull the whole ball of yarn, doesn't matter much, through the loop and tighten it. Now you can cut the tail. This is basically it. Now you have a nice cast-off edge in the end as a result. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more knitting tutorials. Bye!